guy after the women in spandex. Thank you for having me. KQED has been part of San Francisco since 1957, and we proudly bring you Big Bird, Barney, Nova, Frontline, the stuff we do. Morning edition, all things considered, car talk. But today we're here about Zeum. Everyone know Zeum?
Yes.
Oh, excellent. Zeum is the place where your kids can tell a story, create an animation, make a movie, direct a video, go outside, play with clay, and it all happens about 2 blocks away in Yerba Buena Gardens. Go there. Open every day except for Monday, and it's the place where you go and you create something. And what you choose to create is up to you. Unfortunately, what you're about to see may not be so creative. But we'll try. And, judges, did everyone get your free passes to Zeum?
All right, John Terhine for Zeum.